Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you like this content, I have a playlist full of technology tutorials just like this. I hope this video helps you out. Let's start with a quick intro. Today, our video tutorial will cover Facebook's new feature that you might have noticed but are not quite sure about. I'm excited to show you this new feature, which I'm sure you'll love. Let's get started. First, make sure your Facebook app is updated. If it isn't, head over to the Play Store, search for Facebook, and click on Update. Since mine is already updated, I'll just click Open. Now, let's go to our Facebook account. Tap on your profile picture at the top to access your profile. Once you're on your profile, click on the three dots next to Edit Profile. Now, I'll show you this amazing new feature that I swear you're going to love. Scroll down a bit, and you will see an option called Create Another Profile. Familiar? This is the feature I'm talking about that you might not be aware of yet. If you don't see it, make sure your Facebook app is updated. Click on Create Another Profile. Here's what you'll see. Express another side of you. Here's what it means. Show off a different side. Use a new name and get a new feed. Essentially, you can create another profile within your existing Facebook account. Connect with certain friends. You can connect with select friends or groups and control who sees your posts. Switch profiles with one login. Easily switch between profiles without needing a separate email and password. So, you can have two profiles on one Facebook account. Let's read through this and click Get Started. Next, you'll see a screen asking, what do you want to go by? You can use the name people already call you or get creative. Remember, you can change this anytime. I'm going to name my new profile TechTrekker and Tips. Make sure the name you choose gets a green check mark. If it's red, that means the name is already taken, so you'll need to try another one. Once your name is set, click Continue. Now, let's add a username. If you're okay with the suggested username, you can leave it as it is. Otherwise, customize it to your liking. Next, add a profile picture and a cover photo. Once done, click Continue. You'll see some important profile information. It's good to read through this. Control your settings. Be mindful of what you say or do. Accessing your profiles. How your info is used. After reading, click on Create Profile. Wait for the loading to finish, and you're done. You now have a second profile on your Facebook account. This is an amazing feature to express different sides of yourself and manage your social interactions more effectively. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated with our new tutorial videos. If you have any topics you'd like me to cover, feel free to comment below. Don't be shy. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.